Hey man, what's good YouTube? It's Glow back in this bit. Well, as y'all can see by the thumbnail and title, man, today we is filling up the big body RT, you feel me? I'm finna shower where we at right now. Oh shit, my damn door open, hold on. But yeah, y'all can see we is at a quarter, so not too low. But we finna hit the road, so we gonna fill it up. Damn. But yeah, my damn door was open, so had to close that bit. Damn, bro. There it go. Alright, so we finna go. You feel me? This is gonna be a quick little video for y'all. For the people that was wondering how much it costs to fill up a RT, you know. But right now we was on the way there, so I'm finna get there, and then I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I make it. Alright, y'all, we finally made it to the gas station. We was in the middle of nowhere. But we finna fill up, man. See, gas ain't even too expensive right now. And I use 89 in here, so I thought they had tap. Yeah, I guess they don't have tap. Let me see if I got my card in. So yeah, I guess they don't have tap, so I'm just gonna go in there and put 50 in here and see what it do. See what it is. I want to drink pop for it, but I'm gonna get some pop. 50? Yeah, then I got this. Go ahead.
Yep, thank you, sir.
Appreciate you. Let's see how much $50 is gonna put. What's up?
Pump 5.
Pump 5?
Yeah,
Oh, you put the 5. Alright. See, I was gonna move real quick because he put the wrong number on there. I told him 6, he put it on 5. So we gotta move over real quick. But y'all see where we at on the tank. About right under a quarter. Finna move the pump 5 real quick. Oh shit. So you can fill this bitch up. How far y'all think $50 gonna get me in the tank, man? I don't think it's gonna get me. Cause 50 really don't do shit. 50 don't do shit. Like I said, we put 89 there. I don't put the other shit. I don't put the premium. I used to do that, but no. Alright, so just started that bit. I don't think he's gonna get me too far. Might only give me like really half. Yeah, I did notice I left my hood open a little bit. Ooh. Close that bitch before we hit the road. Ugh. I don't know, I can't figure it out. We're just gonna let that 50 rock. See how much it, see where it put us at. Y'all seen where we was. It's almost done.
Early morning commutes, cruising the carpool lane, and epic road trips. Find yours inside and enjoy smooth.
As y'all can see, put that 50 ball in there. We're gonna see where it put us at. I get a receipt to him. I can't get a receipt to him. That's right. Let's see where we at, man. Ooh, we almost full, you feel me? See, 50 almost filled us up. 50 almost filled us up, man. I thought we was gonna get full, but 50 ball ain't do it, man. The 50 ball ain't do it, man. So, yeah, like I was saying, this is gonna be a quick little video. Let me know if y'all enjoyed it. It wasn't too long, but I wanted to get something out there for y'all. And I'll probably get this posted today. So, it is the 22nd. Hold on. Y'all probably can't see. But yeah, it's the 22nd, man. I'm probably gonna get this posted today. So, y'all stay tuned for that. Yeah, man, this is Lil, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. I'm out.
I'm on better things. I ain't moving around with no niggas that be settling. And it's like I'm booted up and now I'm in my element. Bringing up my past like that shit even close to relevant. Keep that shit in between me and you or you gon' trip without no evidence.